Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to see your account storage on Gmail. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to help you keep track of your storage usage. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your Gmail account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Tap Manage your Google account from the menu. This will take you to your Google account settings. Step 4. In the account settings, select Payments and Subscription. This section provides an overview of your payment and subscription details. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Account Storage. Here, you'll find information about the storage space you are currently using and how much is available. By following these steps, you'll be able to view your account storage on Gmail, allowing you to manage your storage usage effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.